Instagram, it always goes to the reel first before anything else. Oh no, you hit the car?
I think I scratched my mirror. Damn!
Shit, at least it wasn't the door.
It's very slight, but still hurts, you know?
I feel that.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Evo video. So it's supposed to rain today, so hopefully we have enough time to film as much progress as possible. Here we have the block. We pretty much got a bunch of the timing components off and the new ones on the last video. Painted the block. We do have the head gasket to go ahead and finish off building the head. As you guys know, we have the Kelford cams, HKS cam gears. I bought a new cam sensor. There's a bunch of stuff going on. So Jay is coming out here primarily to guide us throughout this. He builds a bunch of Evos, so he knows these like the back of his hand. I wouldn't be able to do this by myself, so his guidance, my documentation, your entertainment, I guess. So hopefully this car is running super soon. Again, I'm not rushing to finish it. I want to take things slow. I rather learn the process, take my time with things. And I was getting a bunch of comments from you guys in regards to just go ahead and rebuild the block while you're out. Yes, it's more of a money situation where, you know, pistons, rods, bearings, you know, all the machine shop work is just, it keeps adding up. Fortunately, I don't have a huge budget to where I could just ball out on a car. I have to basically, you know, take it step by step. Still the same?
Yeah, same thing, bro. Same thing. Damn, this is pretty good.
That's what happens when they sit, man.
Yeah. I just got used to the daily, and it's just like you have to warm it up. Yeah.
It's like a wire brush too.
Got Jose helping us out.
We're doing an event next week, and I was like, it's gonna be a lot of cars here with loud mufflers. I was like, please don't mess with them. He's like, oh, as long as they're not burning out or nobody's doing any popping in the street. He said, we'll be all right. But yeah, if you would have left the old head gasket on here, bro, you probably wouldn't have had too long.
Really? You think so?
Yeah. Just because like it had like a lot of rust pitting, like this stuff right here.
Yeah. A lot of people were saying just to build a block while it's out.
Yeah, I was reading some of them shit, bro. Like,
what do you gotta say to him?
Shit. This nigga was shitting out money or
That's what I'm saying,
like,
bro.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, that's crazy.
taking a look real quick.
OEM. I know, because there's a different one for the 8s and then the 9s too. Yeah. Huge shout out to Davis from Florida for sending out these ARP. These are the 625s. Now you do have to be careful and use gloves when touching these. He also sent us some, I wasn't expecting this. He sent us some like exhaust manifold nuts and studs. So huge shout out to you, man. I wasn't expecting that. And then this right here is for the head studs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Should be a total of 10, right? And what's the bolt size for this guy? Because we gotta go to AutoZone and get it.
This one's 14.
14, but it's like a 6X? Like a 6.
6X.
Alright, so we're gonna focus on the camshafts. It's starting to rain a little bit harder. Hopefully it doesn't pour on us, but I did go ahead and order new cam seals for the camshaft. So part number MD372536. They're both the same. Camshaft seal. So like Jay mentioned, I guess we put the camshaft seal on the camshaft first before you put it on the cam gear. Is there a difference between the 8 and the 9 camshafts, do you think?
Yeah, there definitely are.
Unless we got the wrong camshafts.
Yeah, I think these are. Yeah, no, this one. Yeah, they're for
8?
Yeah, they're for 8.
Oh shit.
The cams?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you know 8. Oh shit.
Damn.
You think they'll be able to switch it?
I hope so,
Yeah,
but
they definitely should be able to. Like, hey, listen, bro. Like,
They weren't even installed.
yeah, nah. So
And the good thing is that you guys didn't even fully take it out either.
Yeah. And it's on camera.
And we got, and I wrapped the other one in there too. So we have all the stuff in, all the paper, everything for him to go back. You know what I'm saying? So we can put we can still do the valve springs, put those in, bolt the head onto the motor.
Fortunately, we got Evo 8 kelford cams, and we need the Evo 9 ones because the camshaft's too big to fit on this cam gear. So that's gonna delay us back because now we can't do the timing. It's also starting to rain. Not the best situation, but we'll make it work.
Gotta fucking improvise, bro.
We can move it over here, no? It's too wet.
So I like going up and down with these a few times and shit like this just to make them like, because if there's any oil like that, how it's coming out, it'll sometimes make the torque readings be off a little bit. Okay. Not much, but just like a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, this is like a super important step, especially like for this. Like, you want to make sure this is all clean. Because if there was gonna be like some of the little rust things, and the motor gets hot, those rust shits will start peeling, and then it'll be an air. You know what I'm saying?
Got it.
And then this, you want all these clean, like the mating surface. This is the most important shit is right here.
The circles.
Yeah, around the cylinders to where they seal and shit. I tell people like, oh, don't sand them with 400. Like, they'll see you with sandpaper, like, oh, it's 80 grit, you can't do that. But bro, 400 works fine.
So this is what it's supposed to look like before you slap on the head gasket.
Yeah, yeah, just like this. Usually, like, I mean, it's cleaned up enough right here, but yeah, usually the whole thing, well, you want to see these marks. See then how the rings will push up like a little oil ridge around it.
Yeah. The dedication to finish this today.
Shit, here, just take it, bro.
Shout out to BS Fab for the manifold again. Rock it on the, when it doesn't get wet, rock it on the toolbox here. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and start cleaning up the valves. Use brake clean and 400 grit sandpaper, right? Alright, so what's the reason for the cleaning of the valves?
No, it's cleaning off the carbon around the seat. So when they seat to the head, you know what I mean, you'll get like a nice little seal.
Okay.
And then sanding it down, it doesn't mess it up?
Nah, if you had 80 grit, yeah, it'll fuck it up.
So that's what, 400?
Yeah, it's
400 grit.
Yeah. And then these always going fat side down, beehive side up.
Intake exhaust doesn't matter?
Yeah, they all the same for these.
Okay. The valve needs to be in already before you put one on?
Yep.
So once you hit it with the hammer, it just like automatically seals up?
So you put this on here, like this. And, oh yeah, and then for that kid down the fucking line, it's a Blue Point. This is Snap-on, not Lyle.
Oh, someone was talking trash?
Yeah, I was looking at the other day.
Shit.
It's like, oh, it's a Lyle 0350 This is a Snap-on Blue Point. You know what I'm saying? They do make them from Lyle, but...
Oh, she good?
Yeah, come on.
Ah, that's a lot of blood, bro.
That's alright. A process. If not, you will get mad and change.
Yeah.
You'll fucking choke.
I was ready to give up. So
So
far, 8 of them installed. For some reason, the corner one seemed to be quite difficult to put on, but yeah, very tedious process, very time consuming, but take your time, be patient, and have a couple rags ready.
That's it.
Head is ready to go back on so that we can go ahead and tighten down the ARP head bolts.
When we do Instagram, it always goes to the reel first before anything else. Oh no, you hit the car?
I think I scratched my mirror. Damn!
Shit, at least it wasn't a bit too much.
It's very slight, but still hurts, you know.
I feel that. I feel that. Wow, you could have just pulled the fucking...
Pulled the whole time. Alright, so 100 foot-pounds. Here is the sequence based off evolutionm.net. So start off in the middle, and then you start going off to the sides. and we're gonna have to wait for the camshafts to come in for the 9, but at least we don't misplace these or just have these laying around. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and delete the evap stuff from the intake manifold just for a cleaner look. If you're dealing with emissions, then don't do this, but yeah, we don't do that around here. Alright, so first of all, huge shout out to Jay and Jose for coming out and helping. Honestly, the rain really complicated everything, but it's just water, so we got through it. Unfortunately, the camshafts didn't fit, just due to me basically ordering the wrong part number and getting the Evo 8.1 sent in. So it happens. Fortunately, Red Lane Performance hooked it up and they got me a shipping label to ship them back, and then he's gonna go ahead and get me the Evo 9 cam, so shout out to them again. I was having people telling me, you know, why didn't you just build the block? Why didn't you just do this? Fortunately, it's out of budget. I'm trying to do this with the knowledge and money, friendships, and everything I have. I'm working with what I got, and unfortunately, I can't ball out and just, you know, fully build the block and, you know, go resurface the head, get new valve seals, do all this stuff. Like, unfortunately, I'm just doing this not the cheap way, but the way I can, and you know, hopefully it works out. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's like a good 10 bolts just to take off this manifold. Besides that, I've been working on a set of LED taillights for the Eclipses, so there's not really anyone that, you know, makes them and builds them for a car. So I'm trying out a new design, which I'll show you guys in a bit, at $750 plus shipping, and then after like 30 days, I'm just gonna pump up the price because it's honestly not even worth it. Like just the amount of time, the amount of hours it takes to build a set is insane. I know part of me is hating doing all this right now, but I know once it's all done, I'm gonna look back and be like, this was the best part, the building part, because I think this is what builds a stronger bond between you and the car. Not to sound kind of cringy or whatever, but realistically, yeah, like when you're more involved with your car, you just feel more connected to it, you know, when it comes to driving, building, just everything you do with it, right? So I think that's why the DSM to me is so special, is just because I've literally touched every single bolt and nut on that thing, and it's just been completely redone. So the Evo has never been like that to me because I've never done something like this to it, but I really do think that once we have it done, I'm really gonna appreciate, you know, the friends, the people, the parts, the adventures, the rainy days, the mess ups, the struggles, the times you don't want to do it, the videos. Boom. Now we can go ahead and clean up the head a lot better. I don't know how well these are gonna work, but these are like the Harbor Freight 6-piece wire wheel and cut brush set. So let's try these out. They're like $6. You attach them to a drill, and it's supposed to leave your head looking shiny. So guess we'll find out right now. It's definitely lighter. I got a lot of the grime off, but it's not like shiny silver. If you guys have any insight as far as like how to make this look brand new again, let me know. All I did was use a wire brush and some Awesome spray, and I just kind of scrubbed it, unless I just need to spend more time kind of going over it, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and install the BS forward facing manifold just to kind of give you guys a mock-up and give us all some hope as far as finishing this thing. Slow and steady wins the race, but let's see what it looks like. Check this thing out. Whoa. Once we clean it up, put everything nice and tight on there, I think it's gonna look proper. I want to do white, like I told you guys before, to match the wheels and future half cage that will be in the back. So kind of want the color theme to keep going. But again, huge shout out to BS Fab. They make manifolds for the Evo 8, 9, and 10 platform. So that is a quick update on the Evo. Any new updates, of course, you guys already know. I will be filming and documenting everything. I'm sorry if I can't do this at a faster pace, but I'm working with what I got. Hopefully by spring is out and ready, and we can start enjoying this thing. So I guess I'll let you guys go here. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.